Now, as marketeers, we should know what is the difference between a current market, target market, and a strategic market. The three types of market have different meanings. Let us understand each one of them one by one. First, let us understand the meaning of the term current market. Now, a current market or present market is the market which is present in the area where the company is operating. So, if your company is working at your hometown, then your hometown is your current market. If it is working at the national level, then that particular nation or country is your current market. If it is working in, say, suppose 2 or 3 countries, then those 2 or 3 countries will be your current market. Alright, now let us look into the meaning of the term target market. Now, what happens is that marketeers generally penetrate into a market by the process of segmentation, targeting, and positioning, right? So, after a proper segmentation is carried out, they will find out the target market to sell their goods in. Fine. Now, a target market is a market whereby we target a fixed sum of the population within the current market itself. Alright, so that's fixed sum of population, that is, the targeted customers will be the customers which are present in the current market itself. Fine. A target market is the market which the company is thinking of conquering and penetrating, that is, the company has not yet penetrated into that market or has not conquered that market yet. So that particular market within the current market is the target market. Alright, now after the target market is penetrated, a company would like to further expand their business. The companies would now concentrate on the strategic market. Fine. So what is a strategic market? A strategic market is a market in which the company has an interest in and where it will enter after the target market has been fully penetrated or when it has the needed resources to manage the market. Alright, so strategic market is the market whereby the company is going to enter into, that is, it is making strategies to enter into that market. Alright, so after the target market has been fully penetrated into, that is, the current target market has now become the current market, it is going to next focus on conquering the strategic market. That particular strategic market will now become the target market for the company. Alright, and it may also do so when it has the needed resources to manage the particular market. Fine. Now let us understand this with an example. Let us assume that a company is working in Assam. So Assam will be the current market for the company. Fine. The whole of Assam will be the current market for the company. Fine. After conducting a market survey, it is found that Upper Assam is more profitable than Lower Assam. So the company has decided to shift its business to Upper Assam. So now, since it deciding to shift its business to Upper Assam, so Upper Assam will become the targeted market in this particular case. Fine. Again, let's say the company has conquered Upper Assam. It has penetrated into Upper Assam and it has conquered Upper Assam. The company is now making strategies to enter into or penetrate into Lower Assam. Fine. So now Lower Assam is the strategic market for the company. Fine. So that's the difference between current market, target market, and strategic market. But it must also be noted that if the company does not have the needed resources to penetrate into a strategic market, it should not penetrate into such a market. In this particular case, the company should focus on conquering the target market only. In the next video, we are going to talk about marketing management. Thank you.